I'm Zachary Flippin, firefighter paramedic for Station 4C. Today we're at Roanoke Fire-EMS Training Center with RCPS community builders. Today we're going to give these students a glimpse into what it's like to be a Roanoke City firefighter. We started with the advanced hose relay, which gives the students a chance to work on fire attack tactics and strategies, whether it be offensive or defensive. Next, we have the bucket brigade, which is tradition 100 years ago. It also helps them build teamwork and communication skills. After that, you have search and rescue led by Ladder 1. Also, we had a maze set up that gives the students a look into aggressive life-saving tactics, even with low visibility and in unfamiliar environments we go to. We had the heavy technical rescue team come out and set up a controlled lower, simulating rappelling and hybrid rescues that they participate throughout the whole state. You had Engine 2 talk about fire safety, what type of work an engine company does on fires, some of their tools, and a lot of the calls that we respond to in the city of Roanoke as an engine company. Thank you to all the students and team members who came out today to learn about firefighting and made this event such a success. We'll see you next summer.